Hi and welcome to my channel, Journal Eclectique. My name is Carole and today in part 3 of Wonder or Horror, I'm trying to achieve my journal tags or cards, and I will be doing my coin envelope. And while we are at the beginning of this video, I'd like to invite you to visit my Ko-fi page for your freebie, which will be number 7. And it will at the end add up to a journal kit. And I also will be happy if you subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, like a little art, and hit the like button. This way it will help my channel at no cost to you. Now let's continue. I am cutting my papers as from the beginning of my series. I'm cutting the paper. I'm not hesitating here because I don't want to, how could I say this? I don't want to be precious about the paper that I use. I want to use the paper. So it's a bit different that way, but at this point I'm thinking that it's not really important, since I can always use more paper, and any mistake that I make I will be able to use that paper in other things. So I'm trying not to be precious about the paper, even if I think it's way too pretty to mess up. Because I find that it's something that we kind of do, hoard paper, and well, I can't use this paper because I'll mess it up or it's too pretty. So I'm really not thinking about that when I'm actually doing this project. I want to use this paper. This giant tag journal card will give me a lot of problems because, as I said in my other video, I didn't put space between the pocket and the base page, so it's very a tight fit. and this will give me problems. So if you're doing something like this, at least put something that will give a little bit of space on one side. This way it will be easier to get your journal card in and out. Now this tag that we see on the side, Hello Sunshine, I really wanted to put it in a double place pocket, but it's a little too big. I will find a place for this ephemera that always comes with the paper pads, the 12 by 12 paper pads, but it's not going to be there. Now this is my coin envelope, and I was trying to free-handed do it, but at the end I actually remembered that I made a template for it in my template journal that we see under the scissors and the ruler and the pen, and I finally remembered that it was there, and I used it a lot easier. It's a bit like when you're drawing something. It's always easier if you see something similar that you want to draw. You know, let's say you want to draw a bird. It's always easier if you have a bird in front of you to draw from. This is the same. And I really like how it came out. As you can see, I didn't have my scissors when I made that template, so I actually tore it with my hands. Do you make templates of your project? I found that it was kind of interesting to do. And I will be putting some notes in it to make sure that I remember to make some room for my pockets next time. So when folding your envelope coin, your coin envelope, you need to make sure that it closes right on the back. So it has to overlap a little bit, just a little bit, not much. And then you have to cut the corners because it's a unnecessary bulk. And of course you ink a little bit the inside, so when you open the coin envelope it looks pretty. Or you add the paper, it's up to you. And I'm pretty sure I'm only going to ink at this point. So you can round the corners of those flaps. Again, that's how you like it. Here I'm trying to match up my angles. So I'm actually using up a scrap paper that wasn't the right size from the beginning of the video, and I'm going to make a 2 journal card with it. So the rounded journal card that we see on the bottom and the top, I will join them together later on, and this makes for a little bit less of scrap paper on the run. Now, before we leave each other, I'd like to thank you for spending this time with me. And as your support is important for growing my channel, please subscribe, comment, and hit the like button. Visit my Ko-fi page for the freebies, and of course, I also sell my journals there. So go check it out, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be part 4. Thank you. Bye.